you're back on the show, and today we're talking about the importance of having an attorney. So thanks for chatting with us today.
Thank you so much for having me.
No problem. So of course, when is it important to have an attorney handling your immigration case? And more importantly, can people change and get a new one during the process?
Right. So a lot of people unfortunately think that they only need an attorney when things are complicated or things are going down. But what they fail to realize is that immigration law is a process, and you want somebody who is experienced and who understands the process to help guide the person through it. So at any point you can get an immigration attorney, whether it's in the beginning of the process, the middle, or really at the end of the process. And it's so important because what we do as an immigration attorney is make sure that you're doing it the way that the government wants you to do it to be able to get that immigration benefit. And what they fail to realize is people think that, oh, we're just filling out a form. This is so easy. We're just putting in our information. But they don't understand all of the background information that the government has and what exactly it is that they are looking for in order to give a benefit. And this is where the attorney comes in, because the attorney knows, has the experience, and can guide through the legal process, because immigration is not just a benefit to be in the U.S. It is, in fact, a legal process.
Yeah, for sure. And so let's talk about attorneys who aren't local impacting your case. Can we do that? Can we have attorneys working on your case?
So the beautiful thing about immigration law, which was one of the reasons why I was so attracted to it, is because it is federal, which means we can help in all 50 states. People from Alaska to New York, up in Montana, down to Texas. It doesn't matter. The law is the same. The Immigration and Nationality Act is a federal law. It provides benefits. USCIS provides benefits. It's all the same. So with that opportunity, it allows an attorney, whether we're in Florida or in California, to represent a person, whether they're in New York or in Arkansas, because the law is going to be the same. It's not a specific state civil law or specific state criminal law. And with immigration, a lot of the filings are done in central locations. So people think that you're going to file an immigration benefit, it's going to be processed here, let's say in Miami, where in fact it's actually processed in Illinois. So it can definitely be represented all 50 states. It's not a problem.
What's something that people should look out for when they're looking for an attorney for this?
That's a great question. So I always tell people, interview your attorney. Make sure it's not just because you have one appointment, you're stuck with it. Interview. It's like going to a doctor. Interview doctors so that you can have different medical professional opinions. The same thing with an attorney. And it doesn't matter if it's an immigration attorney or not. You want somebody who's going to help you and represent you for your case and knows what they are doing. Definitely going to the Bar Association, making sure that the attorney doesn't have any disciplinary action, making sure that the attorney is still licensed and authorized to practice law, looking at different reviews, seeing what people say about the attorney, really doing your homework, asking the attorney tough questions. Have you done this type of case before? What was your outcome? What are you going to do in this type of case for me? And having a clear expectation of what the relationship is going to be.
Yeah, for sure. I think the biggest thing is to remember that this is your life, and you have advocacy over what happened. So where can we get more information to get in contact with you and your team?
Definitely. You can give us a call anytime, 954-589-1180. We have phone lines open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Of course, our website, www.us-ilc.com, and our social media handles at immigration_attorney_Saman, S-A-M-A-N.
She's definitely active on social media. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.